In the scale of the universe, our progress is tiny. So what level can human civilization reach? How long does it take to reach the highest civilization? Is the vast space in the universe hiding aliens with superior intelligence? Humans created the internet, set foot on the moon, and sent probes beyond the solar system into interstellar space. In the past few centuries, scientific achievements have far exceeded the imagination of ancient people. Even makes people doubt whether human civilization can continue to advance. What if our so-called progress is just a collective illusion? So scientists have proposed a standard system to measure development, which is the Cotescue scale. The original theory was divided into 4 stages. The first stage is called planetary civilization, which can control all the energy in its planet. Stage 2 is stellar civilization, which can not only utilize all the energy resources but also control all the energy of a star, can even control the movement of planets. The third stage is galactic civilization, which can mobilize all the energy of the galaxy to control the operation of the planets. We could even throw stars into black holes to sustain our energy. However, even if that is an unimaginable height, the fourth stage of space civilization is even further beyond human imagination. This civilization could create a completely new universe. By this definition, humanity has not yet reached the first stage, but also surpassed the initial state of level 0 civilization. So what level are we at? Physicists have calculated that at the current rate, it will take humans another 300 years to reach level 1 civilization. Today the Earth receives only a small fraction of the energy emitted by the Sun. Once humans advance to planetary civilization, we will have complete control over all energy on Earth, including sunlight, wind power and other natural energies. Weather will no longer be a natural phenomenon but a variable that can be arbitrarily controlled. Tsunamis and earthquakes will be controlled by technology. These abilities sound like unbelievable myths, but compared to level 2 civilization, it is still a small gift. Back to the question of whether higher civilizations than ours in the universe really exist. If the universe had such civilizations, we would have easily observed them. However, in fact, scientists have discovered more than 4,000 planets outside the solar system and estimate that there are billions of stars out there. But we still can't find any clear signs of civilization out there. The universe is so vast and has existed for tens of billions of years. Why is it only on Earth that intelligent life exists? For decades we have been searching but still have no answer. Currently, the search for extraterrestrial civilizations relies mainly on monitoring radio signals. However, this method can only detect civilizations at level 0, while radio signals propagating in space will be disturbed and degraded. Conversely, advanced civilizations may use more sophisticated communication technology that we cannot receive. It is known that experts have scanned and discovered 21 galaxies with unusual infrared rays, and unable to explain known natural phenomena. Researchers have speculated that entire galaxies have been reclaimed and used. However, to confirm this hypothesis, scientists will probably need more time. On the other hand, maybe the civilization is deliberately hiding itself. The vast universe, we still haven't found them, maybe just because they don't want to be discovered. Imagine further, if civilization had advanced much further than ours, perhaps they would have fully mastered the method of concealing themselves. If we still can't find extraterrestrial civilizations, maybe we should change the way we think about the universe. Maybe we were just born at the wrong time, and maybe we are the most advanced civilization in the universe. But the most important thing we need to think about is whether we can actually find them, and whether that is the right thing to do. Does a civilization far beyond our own value life more than we do? Or does it simply not exist? But one thing I am sure of is that we in the future will be a superior civilization. And now, I wish everyone a peaceful evening with their family. Goodbye and see you in the next videos. Don't forget to write down your thoughts below for me and everyone to know.